Candida here, and this is a magnetic pencil holder. What I like about this is I can use it on my refrigerator, I can use it on the whiteboard, it can even go in a locker. It's got a strong magnetic pull thanks to the 8 magnets on the back, and then of course it's got the break in between. Inevitably in the morning, I am always looking for a pen or scissors because I've got to sign something before we get out the door. This has been great. So not only does it hold pens, it'll hold my scissors, I can put my sticky notes in it, and I don't have to worry about it falling down. So it's been great to use on the refrigerator. I have one of these in my office as well. Using it on the whiteboard allows me to keep my dry erase markers, my eraser, all of that nice and tidy. Overall, I have found several uses for these, from using them in the office to the home, and I plan on adding these to the children's locker so that way they can keep all of their writing utensils in one place. Well, I hope you found the review helpful.